In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, fine-tuning your chart view can make a huge difference in how you interpret data and make decisions. Now, let's head over to the TradingView website to get started. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already familiar with TradingView, it's a versatile charting platform that's great for both casual and professional investors. After you've logged in and your main dashboard is displayed, direct your attention over to the Indicators section. You'll find this positioned at the top of the chart you're currently analyzing. Click on Indicators to open up the extensive library of tools and metrics. In the search bar, type RS to quickly locate the Relative Strength Index, more commonly known as the RSI. RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, and it can be incredibly useful in determining overbought or oversold conditions in a particular asset. Once you've found it, click on Relative Strength Index to activate this tool on your chart. At this point, it might feel like your chart's starting to look a bit cluttered. Don't worry, TradingView offers a simple way to organize the visual elements. Navigate to the newly added RSI, where you'll notice 3 vertical dots, typically aligned to the top right corner of the RSI pane. Clicking on these 3 dots reveals a drop-down menu with several configuration options. From this menu, select Move To, which enables you to rearrange where the RSI indicator is displayed on your chart. You have a couple of options here. You can choose Existing Pane Below if you prefer your RSI to appear in a pane that's already on the screen, or you can create a new pane below, which will give it its own dedicated space, allowing for cleaner analysis. Either option is straightforward and helps maintain a clear, organized view of your data. If you ever decide that you no longer need the RSI indicator on your chart, removing it is just as simple. Head back to the location of the indicator, click on those 3 dots again, and this time, choose Remove. This action will immediately eliminate the RSI from your chart, decluttering your workspace and allowing you to focus on other elements. Remember, mastering the customization of your chart view in TradingView can significantly enhance your ability to interpret market trends. And there you have it, an easy way to remove volume or relocate your RSI indicator for optimum clarity. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more TradingView tips and insights.